Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a Discord account. First open your App Store or Play Store. Then search by Discord. And then install Discord app, or if already installed then make sure app up to date. After installing or updated open Discord app. And then click on registration to create a new account. Here you will see two options, phone number or email address. You can give anyone as you like. I will give my email address. So I enter the email address. After enter your email address click on next. Now give a display name of your choice, and click on next. Now create a username and make sure your username is unique. Discord will check this after giving your username. And then set a secure password. Password must be 8 or more character. After entering the password click on next. Now you need to enter your birth date. You need to be at least 13 years old to use Discord. After entering birth of date check this box, and click on create an account. Then click on confirm. Now following the screen instructions verify it. After verifying allow the notification. Now following the on-screen instruction, here's find friends and add profile picture. You can add friends or explore different communities or skip this option. Now verify your email address. For that click on profile picture. Then click on gear icon. Go to account. And resent your verification code if not received verification code. After resent verification code enter your Gmail address that you created the account with. And verify your Gmail. That's it. Discord account created successfully. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.